Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 6x and negative 6x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by negative 2. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 19y, and the right sides combine to negative 19. Divide both sides by 19. That leaves y equals negative 1. Use y equals negative 1 in the first original equation. Replace y with negative 1. The remaining x term equals 6. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 2. The solution is x equals 2 and y equals negative 1. It makes both original equations true.